then the fluid will increase. Okay? But manometer is different such that instead of looking at the column of fluid, okay, you look at a column of, I think it's called a measuring fluid, okay, which is not the one in the flow. This is this one. Usually it's mercury. Okay? So you have a certain H. Okay, then this height will give you an indication of the pressure at this point. This is H1. This is H2. If I want to find the pressure at A, usually that's what you want to find, pressure in the pipe. Okay. You start off from where? You start from these two levels. You start from the same level here. Okay, and you say that the pressure at here is the same as the pressure here. Yeah. That is the starting point. Okay. Then you look at one side first. So my Px. Okay. So let's say this is mercury. This is water. So Px is what?
H1 plus H2.
What about that? H1, I write it down first, but you have to tell me what.
H1 is
liter per fluid.
Sorry?
Liter per fluid. For water.
Yeah, this is water, right? So it's rho water GH. Is this column, right?
Yeah.
But is Px this value? It is the pressure here plus this column. Because PA is here. Below got one column of fluid. So the total pressure on downstairs is me and this column. Me and this column is at here. So this is Px. Okay, Py Py is this column. Alright? We don't talk about atmosphere pressure first. We leave it out first. Okay, so Py is only contributed by this column. Rho of mercury. Okay, which is 2 times G. Now you say this is equals to this. Alright? That's the initial starting point. You say this one. Left equals to right. Same elevation. So you put these two together. PA plus rho H2O G equals to rho H G H2 G. So PA is this whole chunk, basically. This one minus this one. Yes, this is what I can say. PA is equals to rho H G H2G minus rho H2O H1 plus H2. That's it. Usually these values will be given to you. Then you can find this pressure. Okay. Chew. Ooh. Okay. Huh?
Last class.
Yes. example 1-3, okay? Instead of 1 point at A, you look at 2 points. Okay. 1-3. Okay, different. Centimeters, 0.25 meters. So this is B. This is A. This is what? Mercury, huh? This is oil. Okay, then where do we start? Okay, before we begin, just name this, because these two are same height, so you cannot name, just say this H lah, okay? So the same, this is X, this is Y. So your starting statement is Px equals to Py. So Px is what? PA plus rho H2O
H plus
H plus 0.25
G.
G. Okay? Py then? Plus
0.25 G.
0.25 times
Plus
rho of
Oil.
Mercury.
plus
Yeah.
H rho oil G. Okay? So you combine these two together. PA plus I split it out so you can see better. I split it up.
The pH, that one is, the A also filled with oil.
That one is oil, not H2O, right? The diversity of oil. But yeah.
A and B all is filled with oil.
Oh, okay. Alright, thanks, oil. I am so sorry. This is put water again, right? Also can, right?
Can.
I want to be nasty, I can put, right?
Yes, can.
I can extend one more tube, right?
Can. No tube also can.
Kan W tube manometer.
Ah.
Oil, low oil. Equals to PB plus rho HG G0.25 plus rho oil HG. Looks very daunting, huh? But this one can cancel out. Yeah, correct. Then my PA minus PA and PP put one side. Because usually the question asks you for the pressure differential. Okay, because your YouTube manometer has two ends. I always want to measure the difference between 2 points. Okay, so usually these two will be one side, and you're left with these two totally. My G and 0.25 I can take out. then left with what? Rho H minus rho oil. Okay? Always have the starting point there, and you shouldn't go too lost. You share with Suda and Priya, right? A video.
我 upload 啦。
Upload to Why your channel?
冇乜咁多啦。
นี่ effort เลยเฮ้ย effort เลย tennis elbow
Banana.
เป็นนั้นนะ